Khalid and Sharjeel Imam.
पहले भी शायद दर्ज कर चुका हूँ। अगर 5 लाख लोग हमारे पास हो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड तो हम हिंदुस्तान और नॉर्थ ईस्ट को परमानेंटली कट कर सकते हैं। पर हम परमानेंटली नहीं तो कम से कम 1-8 महीने के लिए तो कट कर ही सकते हैं। मतलब इतना मवाद डालो पटरियों पर, रोड पे, कि उनको हटाने में 1 महीना लगे, ठीक ही नहीं। जाए एयरफोर्स से, असम को काटना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। असम और इंडिया कट के अलग हो जाए।
The conspirators of the Delhi riots that killed 50 and left over 500 injured will remain in jail.
The Supreme Court has today denied bail to Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam in the Delhi riots case under UAPA while granting bail to the other 5 accused. The bench of Justice Aravind Kumar and N.V. Anjaria held that masterminds of the Delhi riots case, Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam, stand on a different footing from the other accused. The court has ruled the prosecution material discloses a prima facie case against Khalid and Imam and that statutory threshold under UAPA is attracted, making bail unjustified at this stage. The Supreme Court took note of the prosecution's reliance on video footage of Sharjeel Imam's speeches, including the calls for chakka jam, obstruction of essential supplies, which were argued to fall within the UAPA scope relating to economic security.
Today's verdict is a hammer blow for the intellectual patrons of terror who met, harbored, planned every aspect of regime change in 2020.
To some extent, I must tell you, Arnav, the fact that American lawmakers have supported the bail gives some credence. I may not say 100% that maybe this so-called regime change was engineered from outside. I'm not making any allegations. I'm only guessing. It's in the realm of suspicion. Otherwise, why would American lawmakers be interested in a case in India? There are so many other cases, hundreds of cases. Why they have not said anything about any other case?
From Shaheen Bagh to Red Fort to farmers' protest in 2020, the plan was hatched. The target was the central government, a plot in which they targeted the heart of the state machinery, where even cops were killed.
सर, हम तो ये अनुरोध करना चाहेंगे माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट से कि हम लोगों के जवान बेटे इन लोगों ने दंगे में ख़त्म कर दिए। अगर इन लोगों को जमानत दी जाती है तो हम सभी पीड़ितों को फांसी देने का काम सुप्रीम कोर्ट द्वारा किया जा रहा है। अनुरोध करना चाहेंगे, इनको किसी भी हालत में बेल नहीं देना चाहिए। इनको कम से कम सज़ा दी जाए तो फांसी से कम इनकी सज़ा नहीं होनी चाहिए।
Before Bangladesh and Nepal, was the government of India target number 1?